Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Welcome back to the channel. If you're exploring Web3 projects in 2025, you have probably heard of Blockmesh, a growing decentralized network, and today I'll walk you through exactly how to connect your Solana wallet to Blockmesh the right way. No fluff, just a clean, full guide to get you up and running. Let's dive in. So, the first thing you need is a Solana wallet that supports a DApp connections. The most popular choice are Phantom or Solflare. Make sure you've got one installed on your browser or mobile. Now, go to the official Blockmesh platform. Just head to blockmesh.io. Right at the top in your dashboard, you will see Connect Wallet button. Click that and will prompt you to choose a wallet. If you're using on the desktop and using a Phantom, just confirm the browser pops up. If you're on a mobile, you might be directed to your Phantom or Solflare app. Just approve the connection. Once approved, the Blockmesh will instantly link your wallet address, and you will be able to view your own the right chain identity, submit data, join notes, and even contribute to mistakes if they are available in your region. Also, make sure you have a small amount of Sol in your wallet to cover minor network fees, especially if you plan to submitting or validating anything. If you have connection issue, check that your wallet is on the Solana mainnet and not Divine or testnet. That's a common hiccup. Alright guys, that's the full process to connect your Solana wallet to Blockmesh in 2025. Super simple and gets you one step closer to dive the deep into the centralized mesh network. If you found this helpful, drop a like and don't forget to subscribe for more clean tutorials like this. Catch you in the next one.